Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video VAN9003. The build of Vanguard requires secure boot to enable in order to play. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the build of Vanguard requires secure boot to enable order to play, and the error code you can see on the screen is VAN9003, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to click on start menu, or you can click on this search option. Then in this you need to type edit group policy. Then click on this edit group policy. Maximize this window, and I will maximize this side window. In this you can see under computer configuration you will find administrative templates. You just need to double click and expand. After that you need to find Windows component, double click and expand. In right side you need to find BitLocker drive encryption. You can see BitLocker drive encryption. You need to click on that. After that you need to select operating system drives. Double click on operating system drives. Here you need to select, you can see require additional authentication at startup. You have to double click on that. Select enable, and you have to check all this option as allow TPM. Select allow TPM, allow startup pin with TPM. You have to select this option. By default it is selected. If it is not selected, then you have to check and allow all the TPMs. Then click on OK. Then close this window. After completion of this, you have to restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the build of Vanguard requires secure boot to enable in order to play. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.